Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a quick video on my Serum De Teint from Biologique Recherche. I purchased this product like a week ago, but I just wanted to come on camera to show you guys. I actually did a mini try on my Instagram page, but I wanted to come on camera and do it. Right now, I just have my brows done. But I'm going to actually try this on camera. Couple things to know about this product. The launch only came with 5 shades. This is not necessarily a complexion product or something that is supposed to be prolific and change. It's just really another addition to their finishing serum. So it has like benefits for anti-pollution, blue light, things like that. And I really like the product, to be honest. Actually, I was a little bit hesitant to actually get it because in the bottle it doesn't even look like it's my shade, but for some reason once I start using it, it really warms up to my natural skin color, and I just never usually have a problem. Things I've noticed with using this product: my skin feels a lot more hydrated throughout the whole day. My skin just has a natural radiance. Who is this product really good for? Somebody like me who doesn't really like wearing foundation or heavy coverage. I don't mind my skin not looking as perfect walking around, so hence why I really like this product. I apply this product with my hands, so I'm going to be applying a pump of it in my hands as so. It's not cheap, so I'm just gonna use a pump. And I'm actually gonna go through my whole makeup routine, what I would do if I were to do like a normal routine throughout the day. So I have a pump here, so like I would apply my serums, my thicker moisturizer serums, I'm going to dot it around my face. Please know this is not like a heavy coverage type of product. It's not going to give you that coverage that like foundation would give you. It's a tint. But yeah. And that's pretty much it. This is how it looks on my skin. I'm gonna be doing my makeup really fast, speedy, and then show you guys how my whole look comes out in the end. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Nothing too much. This is usually what I would wear if I'm going to the office. Something really simple. I might not wear the red lip because I don't like it getting onto my mask. I might just wear like lip gloss, clear lip gloss, and that's pretty much it. What do I rate this product? I am gonna give this product like a 4.5 because I don't ever give 5s, but I'm gonna really give this product. I really like it for what it is. It's not really a complexion product. It's just really a perfectioner and protector, as it states. Hey guys, so basically my camera went out briefly and I lost some footage, but I wanted to just go into detail on the ingredients in this formula. So we have, for the protective factor, you have your extracts from the butterfly bush flower and some anti-pollution polysaccharides. Then for the moisturizing factor, you have exo polysaccharides and prickly pear seed oil. And just for the unifying, I would just say for the ability for it to blend well with your skin tone, like just the blendability of the product, I would say it has a film former. So that's pretty much it. This is, again, it's not a final review, just like a try on, but I will be doing a final review soon once I get through at least one bottle of this product. And yeah, thank you. Yeah, sorry. So that's it. See y'all later. I'll see you guys later, and have a good day. Bye.